gotta hurry up because the designer will be here at 7:45, 8 o'clock, and I didn't realize that she was gonna come this early. Hello my lovely flowers, it's me Nia with Exquisite Floral Design and Events, and today we are going to make a contemporary arrangement. I gotta hurry up because the designer will be here at 7:45, 8 o'clock, and I didn't realize that she was gonna come this early. So what we're gonna do is, anyway, we're gonna take the floral foam and we are going to soak it in some water. What do I do with my water? So remember you guys, anytime we use foam, we're gonna just drop it in and we are just gonna let it soak in all that good moisture. We're not gonna push it down because what happens is it doesn't get completely saturated, or it doesn't soak up all the water if you push it down. So let's let that soak and then we'll be right back. All right, it took all its water, so we're good to go. So we are going to take this, cut it in half, right? And then once we cut it in half, we're gonna take it into our double trays. We're gonna put it in our double tray. Uh-oh, kind of broke it right there. Double tray, we're gonna take our tape. I'm just gonna start right here, down the middle, and then I am just going to roll it over 2 times. Okay. Now, so with our contemporary, we're going to use 6 hydrangeas as the base. So I'm going to take this and just cut it and kind of tuck it down. And this is just the base so that when we put our roses in it, you won't see the actual, you won't see any, well, yeah, you won't see anything. I guess that's what you would say. You won't see the bottom, let's put it that way. Because we want our roses to kind of come out and create, let's see. So how many was that? That was 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our 1. And I may use, let's see, I think, because I can use some roses to cover it up too. I think I'm gonna cut this one and not put it directly. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. So now we have our base covered. We are going to take our lovely roses. And so let me calculate this. I have, for 3 centerpieces, I have 25. So, I'm sorry, I have 50 divided by 3. We're gonna put 16 in each. I'm just gonna take it, cut, pull off a few of these, fan it out, and then just kind of, I don't have long because I don't see, and we're just going to go ahead and kind of open it, and then we're just going to sit it in here. You know, we're going to give it more of a really contemporary look. But what takes so long with these is that it's the blooming part. And so, I want to make sure I'm showing you guys. We're just going to pull it back. So we're just going to keep on going. We're going to put 16 in here. And then that's it. I'm going to put a few down. Some lower, some higher, and that's it. So get to watching. It wasn't that, it's so simple to make these. I love, it doesn't take that much of brain. You know how, well, for making a traditional arrangement, it does take a little bit of brain power, because you got to think of proportion, you got to think of size, balance, and all that good stuff. With this, look, all you got to do is just think of it. I mean, just put it in however you feel it looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through this, and then you'll see the end result.